Hello everyone, this is Varsha. I cleared my UGC NET exam December 2023. I would like to thank the whole team of A.S.S Science Foundation in making my dream come true. I would like to special thanks Dr. Gaurav Sharma sir, Manisha ma'am and Sumit sir for their guidance throughout my journey. If you want to clear your UGC NET exam in the very first go, then A.S.S Science Foundation is the best platform as it provides you with the best faculty members, best study material which includes 4 colored booklets in which the content is very precise. It also provides you with the segregated assignments which includes many questions for your practice. It also provides you with the previous year question papers from the year 2012 to 2023. So, I would like to once again thanks the whole team of A.S.S Science Foundation for their guidance and their support throughout my journey. Thank you.